Men over 40, quick question. If your morning wood isn't as reliable, your drive feels lower, or erections don't stay as firm, that's not just age. It's biology you can fix. Today, I'll show you exactly how to make your penis feel 18 again, safely, naturally, and science-backed. Stay with me. I'm a physician who works with men on performance, energy, and longevity. What most guys never hear is this: your penis is a mirror of your vascular, hormonal, and neurological health. When you improve those inputs, performance follows. No gimmicks. No shame. Let's map your plan. What actually changes with age? Here's the upgradable truth. With age, blood vessels get a bit stiffer, less surge of blood. Nitric oxide, the open the arteries molecule, can dip. Testosterone and dopamine signaling may slide. Pelvic floor muscles weaken. Stress and sleep debt stack up, raising cortisol, testosterone's rival. None of that means you're done. It means you need a smarter protocol. Pillar 1. Blood flow is king. Strong erections are a blood pressure event inside two spongy chambers, the corpora cavernosa. Better artery health, better filling pressure, better rigidity. The fastest lever? Cardio plus strength. Cardio improves endothelial function and nitric oxide release. Lifting improves insulin sensitivity and vascular tone. Do this on-screen checklist 4 times per week: brisk cardio, 30 to 40 minutes, fast walk, bike row. 2. 3 times per week compound lifts, squats, deadlifts, presses, pulls. Move hourly if you sit a lot, 1 to 2 minutes of steps, hip hinges, bodyweight squats. Doctor aside, think of it as pre-game blood priming for everything else in life. Quick win: the 10-day circulation reset. For the next 10 days, stack 20 to 30 minutes of zone, 2 walking every day plus 2 total body lift sessions. Hydrate, add a pinch of salt pre-walk if you're low carb, and elevate your legs 5 minutes post-training. Many men notice fuller morning erections by week 2. Pillar number 2, hormones, testosterone, and friends. Libido, sensitivity, and erection quality all listen to hormones, especially testosterone and its potent cousin DHT. 3 levers move T more than anything else: sleep, body fat, and stress. Sleep protocol: 7 to 9 hours nightly. Lights out plus screens off 60 minutes before bed. Cool, dark room. Consider blackout curtains. Optional: magnesium glycinate, 200 to 400 milligrams, plus glycine, 3 gram, 30 to 60 minutes pre-bed. Fat tissue produces aromatase, which converts testosterone into estrogen. Losing visceral belly fat often raises free T and improves erection quality. And cortisol? Chronic stress elevates it, reliably dampening testosterone. We'll fix that next. Pillar number 3, stress control that actually sticks. Pick one daily stress downshift and make it non-negotiable for 14 days. 10 minutes slow nasal breathing for inches/6 out. Evening heat, sauna or hot shower to promote deep sleep. Morning light plus short walk to anchor your circadian rhythm. Phone, no notifications after 20:30. Guard your evening. Doctor, firm, lower cortisol, higher recovery, better erections. Boring? Maybe. Effective? Absolutely. Pillar number 4, nutrition that feeds erections. Eat like you care about blood vessels: whole foods, fiber, quality fats, adequate protein. For categories matter most: omega-3s, salmon, sardines, or fish oil from a reputable brand. Nitrate-rich greens, beetroot, arugula, spinach. Monounsaturated fats, extra virgin olive oil, avocado. Mineral-dense foods, eggs, shellfish, pumpkin seeds. Limit ultra-processed foods, refined sugar, and seed oil fried snacks. They push insulin and inflammation the wrong way. Hydrate. Even mild dehydration can blunt performance. Smart supplement mini stack, optional. Supplements aren't magic, but a targeted stack can help the foundations. On screen, with asterisk to consult your clinician, vitamin D3 plus K2 if you're low on labs. Magnesium glycinate, sleep, muscle, stress. L-citrulline, 1.5 to 3 gram per day for nitric oxide support. High-quality omega-3 per label. Zinc only if deficient. Avoid long-term high dosing. Test your blood first. Correct deficiencies rather than guessing. Pillar number 5, pelvic floor equals hidden performance muscles. Your pelvic floor, bulbocavernosus and ischiocavernosus, helps trap blood and maintain rigidity. You can train it like any muscle. How to find it? The muscles you use to stop urine midstream or prevent passing gas. Kegel protocol, slow holds, 10 reps times 5 seconds on per 5 seconds off. Quick pulses, 20 fast squeezes. Do 2 to 3 sets per day in different positions, lying, sitting, standing. Breathe. Don't clench abs or glutes. Most men feel better control within 4 to 6 weeks. Many report firmer erections and improved ejaculatory control. Nerve protection, posture, cycling, and compression. The pudendal nerve supplies sensation and function to the penis and pelvic floor. Long sessions on hard chairs or narrow bike saddles can irritate it. Protect it, use cushioned seating, avoid perineal pressure. For cyclists, anatomic saddle, stand on pedals periodically. Break up long sitting every 30 to 45 minutes. If you experience persistent numbness or pelvic pain, see a specialist. Early changes are easier to reverse. The porn/novelty trap. Reset your arousal. High intensity, high novelty porn can desensitize the brain's reward pathways for some men. If erections are fine solo but unreliable with a partner, try a 30-day reset. On-screen reset tips. Reduce porn to 0 for 30 days. Focus on slower, real-world intimacy or non-goal-oriented touch. Build arousal via breathing plus presence, not fast stimulus. Many men report better sensitivity and easier erections after a reset. Use it or lose it? Yes, really. Regular erections bring oxygen and nutrients to penile tissue. More activity tends to preserve function. That can be with a partner or solo, no shame. If you rarely get morning erections, that's feedback. Double down on sleep, stress control, and cardio. Devices and therapies. What's worth considering? 2 tools I discuss with patients. Vacuum erection device, VD, not just for intercourse, can be used as a gentle vascular workout a few times per week to keep tissue elastic, follows safe protocols. Don't overpump. Low-intensity shockwave therapy. Early evidence suggests potential benefits for blood flow-related ED in some men. Results are mixed and provider-dependent. Caution: be skeptical of miracle gadgets. Prioritize foundations first. Add tools with realistic expectations and clinical guidance. The 30-day reboot plan, actionable. Here's your simple, stackable protocol. Screenshot this. Week 1, foundations. Sleep 7 to 9 hours. Screens off 60 minutes before bed. Cool, dark room. 20 to 30 minutes zone. 2 walk daily. Add greens plus olive oil to 1 meal. Hydrate to light straw urine. Week 2, add strength and stress control 2 total body lift sessions, 40 to 50 minutes. Daily 10-minute breath work or evening heat. Begin Kegels 2 to 3 sets per day. Week 3, nutrition and supplement tune. Oily fish 2 times per week or omega-3 supplement. Consider L-citrulline, 1.5 to 3 gram per day. Reduce ultra-processed snacks and added sugar. Week 4, arousal reset and nerve care. 30-day porn break. Emphasize slower intimacy. Fixed seating per cycling. Stand hourly. Optional. Gentle VD sessions per guidance. Expected wins. Better morning erections, higher drive, improved energy, and more fullness during arousal. FAQs. Anticipate objections. Question number 1. Do I need testosterone therapy? Answer: not necessarily. Many men normalize symptoms with sleep, fat loss, stress control, and training. If symptoms persist, get a full panel and speak with a clinician. Question number 2. Is cold exposure a testosterone hack? Answer: great for mood and resilience, not a proven T-booster. Use it for mental edge, not hormones. Question number 3. Best single diet change? Answer: swap ultra-processed snacks for greens plus olive oil plus protein at 1 meal daily. Question number 4. How fast will I notice changes? Answer: some feel improvements in 10 to 14 days. Deeper changes usually stack over 8 to 12 weeks. Motivation. Reframe aging. You're not broken, you're adaptive. The same biology that drifted can be coached back. Your penis is part circulatory pump, part hormone sensor, part muscle and nerve network. Treat it like an athlete. Consistent training, clean fuel, stress mastery, solid sleep. That combination reliably turns back the clock. Recap. Your 18 again playbook. 1. Blood flow, cardio plus lifts plus move hourly. 2. Hormones, sleep, lose visceral fat, manage stress. 3. Nutrition, omega-3s, greens, EVO, minerals, cut ultra-processed. 4. Pelvic floor, daily kegels, protect the pudendal nerve. 5. Arousal reset, 30 days off high-novelty porn if needed. 6. Consider tools, VD, Pro Therapies, After Foundations. If this helped, like the video, subscribe to Longevity Lab, and drop a comment with the one change you'll start today. Want the exact food list and supplement guide? Check our video, Top Testosterone Boosting Foods, backed by science, on this channel, linked on screen and in the description. Your 30-day reboot starts now. Disclaimer: this video is educational and not medical advice. Bodies differ. Before changing your diet, supplements, training, or trying any device or therapy, talk to a qualified healthcare professional, especially if you have conditions like cardiovascular disease, diabetes, or are on prescription medications.